This equation will represent a circle when A and B are equal, H is 0. So a general equation of second degree will represent a circle when A is equal to B and H will equal to 0. Let's have a look at it. So if it is AX square, AY square plus 2GX plus 2FY plus C equal to 0, such an equation will represent a circle. Now, if I divide by A, this equation can be written in this manner. So I have taken A to be 1. So imagine I have an equation of this kind. Let's say 2x square plus 2y square plus 6x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. If you divide the equation with a 2, if you divide with the equation by 2, it will become of this format, and this would represent the equation of a circle. And this equation can be converted to x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. This format you can make it. How do you do that? X square plus 2gx plus y square plus 2fy equal to minus c. Add a g square, add a g square. Add an f square, add an f square. So I can say this as x plus g the whole square plus y plus f the whole square equal to g square plus f square minus c, whole I put a root and a square. So if you now compare this both equation, that is I'm comparing with x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Therefore I can say h is equal to minus d, k is equal to minus f, and r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So this is the most important thing to remember. When such an equation represents a circle, the center of the circle will be minus d comma minus f. So divide the coefficient of x by minus 2, divide the coefficient of y by minus 2, you will get the center. And the radius is square of the center, sum of the square of the center, minus constant term under the square root. So this is the fast method that you should apply to find the equation of a circle. Let's say we are given equation of a circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. I want to find the center of the circle. Divide the coefficient of x. First of all, check whether x square and y square's coefficients are 1. Then only you can apply this idea. If not, you make it 1 by dividing. Then the center would be minus 6 divided by minus 2. 3 divided by minus 2 will be the center. So the center will be 3 comma 3 minus 3 by 2. Now to calculate the radius, just square the center 9, square this 9 by 4 minus the constant term. So this will give me the radius of the circle. Once again, divide the coefficient of x and y by minus 2. That will give you the center. Square sum of the square of the center minus the constant term, whole under the root will give you the radius. Similar to this question came 2 years back in MNCT. This equation represents a circle of radius 2. So this equation has got one h here, one k here. It represents a circle with radius 2. The point h comma k is on the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. In that case, what is the value of r? So this equation would represent a circle when h is 0, because equation of circle does not contain xy term. Radius is 2, so root of g square plus f square minus c should be 2. Root of g means half of it, 9, half of it square, half of it square, minus the constant term should give me 2. G is minus 3, f is minus 1, squared it. So 10 minus k should be 4, so k should be 6. So therefore the point h comma k is 0 comma 6. This is a point on the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. Therefore 0 square plus 36 should be r square. So r's value should be 6. So r is equal to 6. Remember, they may give you one of the option as minus 6. Be careful. R has got only one value because R is the radius of the circle. So R will be only positive 6 and no negative 6 in it. This is a problem where we have to find the equation of circle. The options are given to you. What are the conditions satisfied by this particular question? The circle is, it passes through this 2 point and one of its diameter has this equation. So how we'll find out which is the correct answer? So actual method is very lengthy method. Assume the center as h comma k. The points are 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5, and one of the diameter is y minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So actual method is equate this to distance. You'll get one linear equation h and k. H and k will satisfy the equation of the diameter. Solve those two simultaneously, then get h and k, then find the radius and find the equation. In an MCQ examination, you cannot do so many steps. So we have to do the reverse process. We know the center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? Center of the circle is minus 2 comma 5. Divide the coefficient of x and y by minus 2. So minus 2 comma 5. Check whether minus 2 comma 5 satisfies the equation. 4 plus 2, 8, and all positive will not give you 0. So this is not your answer. Then here the center is 2 comma 5. Now let's check whether 2 comma 5 satisfies the equation. 8 plus 5 plus 3 is. Yes, this satisfies the equation. This can be. Even this also has the same center. So this can be. This has got center 0 comma 7. Let's check whether it's 0 comma 7. It's not satisfying. So this also cannot be. So we are eliminated two of them. Now only 2 of them are there. Now let's take whether this point 2 comma 3 satisfies this equation or not. They said there are 2 points on the circle. So we need to check whether these 2 points are satisfying it or not. It is easy to check on one of them. Let me take here. So 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 into 2 minus 10 into 3 plus 16. Is it giving me 0? 4 plus 9 minus 8 minus 30 plus 16. 4, 13. 13 plus 28. So this is not correct. This is not correct. Let's try this one. If it is 25 here, let's see whether it checks answer. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 25, 38. So this is giving you 0. So this is possible, which means this is wrong and this is the right answer. So B is your option. Once again, first condition, the center of the circle will satisfy the equation. Second condition, 2 comma 3 is not satisfying this equation, hence this is the correct answer. So such type of lengthy problem, you need to check the conditions. There are 3 conditions in this particular problem. First condition, the center should lie on the diameter. Second condition, these 2 points should satisfy the equation. We checked first the center. Eliminated A and D are wrong answer. Then we checked 1 point. Tried on both the equation whether 2 comma 3 satisfies or not. In C, it is not satisfying. The B, it is satisfying. So we took B as the answer. Let's see the condition here. There is a circle given to you whose equation is given. P1 comma 0 is one end of the diameter. The point diametrically opposite to the point 1 comma 0. And you're asked to find what is the coordinate of Q. Equation of circle is given. What is the equation of the circle? This. Therefore, what is the center of the circle? Divide coefficient of x by minus 2. Divide the coefficient of y by minus 2. So the center is minus 1 comma 2, which means the midpoint of this both should be the center. So if I denote this by x comma y, so the average of 1 and x should be minus 1. Average of 0 and y should be minus 2. So x should be minus 3 and y should be minus 4. So which is the answer? So B is the answer. The diametrically opposite point should be minus 3 comma minus 4.